Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love streaming shows, movies, and sports but hate running into those annoying not available in your region messages, this one's for you. Today, we're checking out Getflix Smart DNS and VPN, a tool that lets you unlock over 500 global streaming channels and keep your connection fast and secure. And the best part? There's a lifetime deal on Stack Social. Now let's talk about what makes this deal worth it. Secure and private. Getflix uses 256-bit SSL encryption and has a strict no-logs policy, so your data stays yours. Super easy setup. You don't even need to install extra software. Just follow a quick setup guide and you're ready to go. Universal compatibility. Works on Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, smart TVs, gaming consoles, Roku, and more. And if you want full VPN protection, Getflix includes that too, with support for up to 5 devices at once. Because it only reroutes streaming traffic, your internet speed stays fast, which is perfect for HD or even 4K streaming. And it's been featured by Lifehacker, PC Mag, Entrepreneur, and Stuff, plus it has a 4.8 out of 5 rating on Trustpilot. So, if you're tired of geo-blocks stopping your entertainment, Getflix is a smart and affordable solution. For a one-time payment of $49, you're getting lifetime access to a private, fast, and border-free streaming experience. You can grab this deal right now on Stack Social. I'll leave the link below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've tried Getflix or any other smart DNS tools. See you in the next one.